Like Parrot's larger AR drone quadcopters and mini drone rolling spider, the Jumping Sumo is completely controlled with an app on your smartphone or tablet. The free Flight 3.0 app is available for iOS, Android, and, in October, Windows 8.1 and Windows Phone 8.1 devices. I did all my testing with a Galaxy S4 and an iPhone 5s. The Jumping Sumo connects to your mobile device via Wi-Fi. Turn on the Sumo and it will appear as a network in your Wi-Fi settings. Select it and launch the free Flight app. Once the app is open, it should automatically connect to the Sumo. However, in my testing the connection wouldn't always happen immediately and occasionally would never happen at all, forcing me to shut down both the Sumo and the app and start the process over again. To be fair, it happened mainly when I was using it in areas with a ton of wireless networks. In the app you can change to manual mode and choose a less crowded channel, as well as connect over 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Once you are connected, you'll see a first-person view streamed from the Sumo's camera. Slide the virtual stick on the left forward and back to move those directions and tilt your device left or right to turn. On the right is another pad to do quick 90 and 180 degree turns by swiping up, down, left, or right. For navigating in tight areas, the wheels can be pushed in. If stability and speed is your priority, pull the wheels out for a wider base. You can drive the Sumo indoors or outside, but the tires are made from a spongy foam, so too much riding on rough terrain will shred them. A new set will set you back $15.